Gum disease treatment, cost comparison between Europe and Turkey. Gum disease, also referred to as periodontal disease, is a prevalent dental problem which affects millions across the globe. It's caused by the accumulation of plaque and bacteria that accumulate on teeth and gums. This causes bleeding, inflammation, and ultimately tooth loss when not treated. There are a variety of treatments available for gum disease. These range from non-surgical methods such as deep cleaning to gum grafting surgical procedures. One factor which can stop people who want to seek treatments for gum disease is the expense. The cost of dental treatments is often high, particularly in nations like the ones in Europe, in which healthcare costs tend to be more expensive. But there's an increasing number of patients traveling to different countries for dental treatments, such as gum disease treatments, thanks to the lower cost and quality treatment. One popular destination for dental tourism is Turkey. Thanks to its state-of-the-art facilities as well as highly trained dentists and affordable costs, Turkey has become a popular choice for those seeking low-cost and trustworthy dental treatment. In this clip, we'll compare the costs of treatment for gum disease in Europe and Turkey to determine how much savings patients could save traveling to Turkey to receive treatment. Non-surgical gum disease treatment. The first phase of gum disease, called gingivitis, may typically be managed using non-surgical techniques such as professional dental cleaning, scaling, and root planning, as well as antibiotics. Costs for these treatments will vary based on the location and dental fees. In Europe, the price of root planning and scaling can vary between €100 up to €300 for each quadrant. The expense of antibiotics ranging from to the cost by an extra €50 up to €100. The treatment of gum disease across all four quadrants of your mouth could cost anything between €500 up to €1,600. In Turkey, it is the case that the price of root planning and scaling is considerably lower, with costs ranging between €50 up to €150 for each quadrant. The typical cost for antibiotics is €30 up to €50. Thus, treatment for gum diseases in Turkey could cost as low as €200 up to €600 for the four quadrants. This could save patients hundreds of dollars. Surgical gum disease treatment. If gum disease has advanced into a stage that is more severe, surgery could be required to improve the health of your gums and stop further harm. The surgical treatments for gum disease comprise techniques like gum grafting, the regeneration of tissue guided by a guide, and flap surgical procedures. In Europe, the cost for the treatment of gum disease surgically is quite expensive, costing between €500 up to €3,000 for each procedure. If you have multiple procedures or a full mouth treatment, costs could quickly reach hundreds of dollars. In Turkey, the surgical gum disease treatment is cheaper, with costs beginning at €300 and rising to €2,000. Patients will spend significantly less on procedures such as gum grafting, guided tissue regeneration, and flap surgical procedures in Turkey as compared to Europe. In general, the price of dental treatment for gum disease in Turkey is significantly lower in comparison to Europe, which makes it a desirable alternative for those seeking high-quality treatment at a lower cost. When traveling to Turkey to receive dental care, the patients will get a lower cost while receiving top-quality care from skilled dentists. Alongside the savings on costs, patients benefit from dental tourism. This includes visiting a different destination, observing a new lifestyle, and getting individualized treatment in a relaxing setting. The reputation of Turkey as the top tourist destination, patients can be at ease knowing that they'll get top quality care for their dental treatment for a fraction of the price compared to Europe. Treatment for gum disease. Gum disease treatment in Turkey provides a low-cost solution to patients who require high-quality dental treatment without breaking the budget. When comparing the costs of treatment for gum disease in Europe and Turkey, and the results are clear that traveling to Turkey to receive dental care could result in substantial cost reductions for patients. This makes the country a desirable alternative for patients looking for low-cost and trustworthy dental treatment.